Hey guys, Brett here. So there's this form of concept. It's a form of free energy. Let me subscribe. So this is just watch and see. The main concept here is you need a flywheel for it to start the motion. Okay, now from there, I came up. I tried. Okay, this came up. We came up with this. It's a form of engine, same as the furnace, turbo furnace. Now the difference with this, it's that at the center there's a crank. The turbo furnace are two, or it can be one depending on your setup. So let's just use one to explain. So the charcoal is at the center, it heats up, there's an exit, there's an inlet, and there's a crank. So as it rotates, it opens up where the expanding gas, or rather when it pushes, okay, it will still push, but there's a problem. There'll be some form of backfire. Okay, so as it expands, it pushes, comes to the turbine, the first turbo coupled to the exit turbine is coupled to the intake compressor, which pumps in more air. For more air, more heat, and then since it's connected to the flywheel, it should close back, which will reduce the volume, which will eventually increase the temperature. So as it closes up, the pressure goes higher, so the pressure goes really high. So I tried, the first design was this to be the intakes. You try closing the intakes and then letting the exhaust out, but okay, to come think of it again now, this can be the intakes. So let's see if you can try solving the first one. So as it heats up, expands, spins the compressor, the turbine, which in turn spins the compressor, pumping in more air. Yeah, the arrows are inverted, so yeah, sorry for that. This should be the exhaust, so this should be going up, and then these are the intakes. So can just cancel this. So this being the exhaust, the expansion is continuous. Okay, and you can regulate. Okay, I think it might work both ways, I'm not really sure, but the main, just from getting from this video from DIY factory, the flywheel should help maintain the flow, the motion. So maybe depending on the setup, because this setup can be maybe for high speed, this one here for this as an exhaust, and then this as the intakes, and then And then for compression, for higher power, maybe this I don't know. Best way is just to make it to see if it works, because it's roughly it's a concept. So yeah, hope you like. Please do share, like, and subscribe. Thank you.